Numbers are everywhere in our daily lives. From the time on your clock to the price of your coffee, they shape the world around us in ways we rarely stop to consider. But did you know that numbers hold hidden meanings and fascinating patterns beyond what meets the eye? As you watch this, you're surrounded by numbers. From ancient numerology to mind-blowing mathematical wonders, numbers influence everything in ways you never imagined. Stay tuned, because we're about to uncover the mysteries of numbers and hidden secrets that might just change the way you see the world forever. The curious case of numbers and letters. Let's play a little game. How far do you have to count before you find the first letter of the alphabet inside a number? Let's start from 0. Nothing in there. How about 1? Still nothing. Maybe we should run through a few quick. Nothing in all of them. Let's keep going. All the way to 19 and nothing. Let's keep going. With only 26 letters in the alphabet, I thought we would have gotten it by now. But we won't stop until we find it. Let's keep on going. All the way up to 999, and we are yet to find it. Our next number, 1,000. And there we have it. 1,000 is the smallest number that contains the first letter of the alphabet. Think about it. Out of just 26 letters in the alphabet, it takes 1,000 iterations before we find the very first letter. But let's take it even further. What's the smallest number that contains each vowel just once? Since we already know that the first vowel is only at 1,000, we can start from there. 1,000, missing the I. 2,000, has a double O. 3,000, double E. 4,000, quite a few doubles, and missing the E. 5,000, it's the first number where all 5 vowels appear exactly once. Hidden secrets in everyday objects. Dice have been used for games and decision-making since as early as 3000 BC. With 6 sides numbered from 1 to 6, they seem like simple objects. But did you know they hide a fascinating mathematical secret? Look closely at a standard 6-sided die. Pick any number. Let's start with 1. On the opposite side, you'll find 6. Now find 2 and flip it, there's a 5. Do the same with 3, and you'll see 4. At first glance, this might seem like just a coincidence, but here's where it gets interesting. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. No matter which number you choose, the number on the opposite side will always add up to 7. This clever design isn't just random. It's an ancient mathematical principle found in traditional dice. So next time you roll the dice, you'll know the hidden pattern behind this classic gaming tool. Ever tried solving a Rubik's Cube? This classic 3x3 puzzle has 6 sides, each with a different color. And while some people can solve it in seconds, many of us struggle for hours, or even days, just to align one side. But have you ever wondered why the Rubik's Cube is so difficult to solve? The answer lies in its mind-boggling complexity. Let's break it down. 1 fixed core, which we never see. 6 center pieces, 8 corner pieces, and 12 edge pieces. Now here's where it gets crazy. If you calculate all the possible combinations of a standard Rubik's Cube, you get a staggering 43 quintillion combinations. That's 43 followed by 18 zeros. Still can't picture how massive that number is? Imagine this. If you tried a new combination every second without stopping, it would take you 1.4 trillion years to go through all the possibilities, far longer than the age of the universe. Let's talk about playing cards. A standard deck contains 52 cards. Nothing extraordinary, right? You could count them all in just a few seconds. But what if I told you that the number of possible arrangements of those 52 cards is so massive that it defies human comprehension? This brings us to an incredible concept known as the human infinite, a number so enormous that it's practically impossible to grasp. That number is 52 factorial, which represents the total number of ways you can arrange a deck of 52 playing cards. What is 52 factorial? In simple terms, 52 factorial is calculated as 52 times 51 times 50 times 49, and so on all the way to 2 times 1. When you multiply all these numbers together, you get a mind-boggling figure. 8 followed by 67 zeros. To put that into perspective, this number is even larger than the estimated number of atoms in the entire universe. 52 factorial represents the total number of possible shuffles for a deck of playing cards. That means every time you shuffle a deck, there's a very high probability that the order of the cards has never existed before in history and will never exist again. Yes, you heard that right. The next time you shuffle a deck of cards, you could be holding a sequence that is completely unique in the universe. This mind-blowing fact highlights the incredible randomness and complexity hidden within something as simple as a deck of playing cards. So the next time you play a game of poker, blackjack, or solitaire, remember, you're dealing with a near infinity of possibilities right in your hands. Numbers are everywhere, and they hold more secrets than we ever imagined. If you enjoyed this video, click that like button and make sure to subscribe. And if you're still craving more amazing facts, check out this next video right here. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.